I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Developer options and USB debugging are enabled, and a DB is installed. Connect the device via USB and authorize the computer when prompted. Once done, open a terminal and run a DB devices to verify a paired serial. Next, obtain the device IP assigned to the USB interface with a DB shell IP or ifconfig, because you will bind a DB to that endpoint. Make sure authorization persists before moving to wireless mode. Now you switch a DB to TCP mode. Run a DB TCPIP 5555 while still on USB. This restarts the DB daemon listening on port 5555. Once restarted, fetch the device address from the USB network interface or use a DB shell IP route to confirm reachable IP. Then disconnect the USB cable and immediately run a DB connect device IP 5555 from your machine. If it connects, you'll see the device listed. This creates a wire. To finish, validate the session with a DB devices and exercise commands like a DB shell and a DB logcat. If the connection drops, reconnect via USB, run a DB TCPIP 5555 again, then a DB connect. This reestablishes the TCP listener. Also make sure battery saver and aggressive network sleeping are disabled on the device because they interrupt the link. One quick troubleshooting tip. If you see authentication errors, revoke USB debugging authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.